Hey everyone, today I'm about to show you the collection of our aprons. So these comes in various colors and these are very pretty and you can use them if you are in kitchen and if you are also an artist and while painting also you can wear such aprons. Something can be spilled in your outfit, then definitely our aprons are a must have. So I'm about to show you our collection, aprons collection. So first is this beautiful print, Ikat red. As you can see, these it comes with adjustable loop. Here you can tie it like this, and this is how you can just wear it and from at the back. So this is the first apron that we have. It's pure cotton ikat, and I'll show you a close up. Also comes with a pocket. You can keep your mobile phone inside over here, and whenever you are working and you receive call, you can just pick up the call and talk. So it also has a lining which is solid red. These are not too much thick because you also need to breathe, and already when you are in kitchen it's already hot. So that is why we haven't made them too thick. But yes, it's not too thin as well. It's breathable and light, and these are easily washable. If you think that something will spill and this can be dirty, then you can wash it. Just wash this separately with other clothes because these are made with traditional printing, so sometimes the color of these can bleed. One in the collection is Ikat Pink. This one is also very pretty, and all the pink lovers, this is a must have. It comes with a white line, it comes with white lines with it, and the back is with the pink. Again, it is same as that of the pattern is same as that of the red one. So, see, this is how you can wear, and it is quite big in length, so it's not like half of half. It's not short. It's quite big in length. It covers it. The waist size also does not matter since it's tieable at the back. That one. This is Ajrakh. The Ajrakh. Uh, it's Ajrakh. It's block printed, and the back of it is dark blue. It's red and black. So here it is. This is also a very pretty color and combination. Most of our aprons are very loved with by all of you. I'll say if you are an artist, then this is the one that is very pretty. It's a must have. You should definitely see this one. It's like a crayon fabric, and the fabric has come up. This one is one. This is one of my favorites. Now, as you can see, the back of this does not have any lining. This one is plain. It's very pretty. Look how like how bright it is. I love brights and I love colors. So pink and this green, like pink is my favorite, and this bright color is actually reflecting uh, on me. So I like this very much, like this color. And this is just one single piece left in our collection. Fabric, ikat yellow with black. This one is also very pretty. Okay, so here it is. This is black. This pocket we have given is black, and this is black. So this is a collection. Kalamkari lover. This one is for you. Kalamkari red. This is also very beautiful. Now again, there is no lining at the back of this apron, but it is very pretty. Now, floral pink. This is also very pretty. If you love flowers, then definitely it's a must have. Now, this is a very quirky fabric. It's hand, hand is made over the whole fabric. It's very pretty color. If you like quirk, then this is a must have for you. And this is how it goes. There is stripes all over the fabric, and yeah, pocket is of red, like maroon, darkish red and lighter maroon, and it is all stripes, and it has the same function as that of the other one. This one is also very pretty because um, it's dark blue. So if you and your husband work together, or if your husband wants an apron, then this is a must. And definitely, like for girls, all the colors suit. And but if and I am a person who do not divide colors between genders, so I won't suggest. But yeah, many of the guys are like they want darker tones. So then this is kind of a unisex apron that I suggest. Isn't it pretty? The arrows are just pretty. It's ikat blue. It's very beautiful. This is also very pretty. It's floral yellow with pink in it. It's lovely. Again, this is a beautiful fabric. So it does not have a pocket. So yes, here is the whole collection that I have shown you, and we have many options in the whole collection. So yes, but we have limited pieces in each color. So if you are eyeing on something in particular, then please do shop it as soon as possible, because we do not guarantee whether the fabric will be back in stock or not. So yes, you can visit our website, that is sooti.in, and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook with the name Sooti Grams. And yes, if you do not subscribe to our to our channel yet, please do like this video and subscribe to our channel to receive updates every time we upload a video. Thank you for watching. Bye.